Hello, I'm Anna Mackay, and this video is on solving equations. Making sure that you write down everything you see on your screen, both typed and handwritten, and make sure you give it a heading. So we're being asked to solve for x. Now, these are quite basic equations that we're going to be doing today. So let's read out what we've got here. X take 2 equals 3. Solving for x means isolating x on one side of the equals, so we usually work out x by itself on the left. So we have x take 2. We have to do an inverse operation to subtract 2. The opposite of subtract 2 is plus 2. So that's what we have to do. And the rule of equations is, for balance, what you do to one side you must do to the other. So one technique for solving is to write that on both sides of the equals. Now, how to work that out? X is any number, so if you have any number, you take away 2 from it, and then you add 2 back on, you're back where you started. So you're at x, and that's what we need to write on the left-hand side. And the right-hand side, we have 3 plus 2, which will give us 5. So that's how we solve these one-step equations. I like to write the action that we're doing in one colour and the working out in another. Part B, x add 7 equals 9. The opposite of add 7 is subtract 7. So write that underneath and work that out. These have essentially cancelled each other out, so we are left with x on that side is equal to positive 2. Next, part C. 5x is equal to 10. So 5x is the same as which operation? Add, times, take or divide? 5x, that's 5 multiplied by x. So the opposite of multiply is divide. So we're going to divide by 5 on the left, divide by 5 on the right. Writing what we've got left, we've just got the x on this side. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Next one over here, we have x over 3, but that's the same as x divided by 3. The inverse of divide 3 is multiply by 3. So what you do to one side, you must do to the other. The 3's have cancelled out on this side, so we're left with x is equal to 27. 9 times by 3. Moving on, they were one-step equations for solving. Two-step equations. Solving for x. 3x add 2 is equal to 11. The opposite, so the last thing that you said, 3x add 2 was add 2. The opposite of add 2 is subtract 2. So we write that down on both sides. So this has cancelled itself out. So on the left, this time we are left with 3x. And that's equal to 11 take 2, 9. So 3x is the same as 3 multiplied by x. The opposite of multiply is divide. So we are left with x is equal to 3. So essentially what that 3 means is, if you were to take that 3, substitute it back into your original equation, you'd get 11. We could just check that. So putting a 3 in there, we have 3 times by 3, that gives us 9. Add 2 to that, we'd end up with 11. So that's essentially what you've solved there. The last one here, 2x subtract 7. Think about the opposite of subtract 7, which is add. Write what's left over. 2x is equal to 15. So we have to try and isolate x on its own, undo that multiplied by 2. We have divide by 2. It's not going to be a whole number, but that's okay. So we can leave it as either 15 on 2, or you might like to write 7.5, whichever you prefer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and the next video in this series will be called Problem Solving with Equations. Thank you.